I'm John Cohen, and this is my tech. This is the Liddle Speaker Pro. It is a small but yet powerful portable speaker that's great for listening to music while you're on the go, and it even has a built-in mic. Let's have a look. In this small package, you get a 5-watt speaker, and it is great to take with you and really ultra portable. As you can see, it fits right in the palm of your hand. When you're ready to use it, it's just a matter of turning it on, and it goes ahead and pairs with your Bluetooth.
Bluetooth mode. Connected.
So once you have the Liddle Speaker Pro connected via Bluetooth to your phone, it's just a matter of playing some audio. So we'll go ahead and play a little audio right now. Let's set the volume right away to 50%, and you can hear it basically just beautiful, clean sound. And we'll go up to about 75%. Very nice. And even at 100%, it still sounds really clean, really clear, really easy. Let's pause that. And what you'll notice is that this Liddle Speaker Pro is actually very special because on the bottom there's a magnet. So if you want, you can go ahead and put it on with your phone, just like that. And then when you're ready to play music, you can go ahead and use it as a stand. And of course, it's not just limited to playing music because there's a high fidelity microphone built in. That means you can use this Liddle Speaker Pro as a way to take Zoom calls, to do FaceTime calls. And it's just really a beautiful way to work. And of course, you're not limited to just using it with the phone because it can easily be paired via Bluetooth to other devices like your computer or your tablet, featuring a water and sand resistance built in, and dust of course too. It means it can go anywhere with you, whether it be outside to the beach or just on a long road trip. It's great to have. And if you take 2 of these Liddle Speaker Pros, you can pair them together so that they can give you stereo sound, which is just amazing for such a small little speaker. When it's time to charge it after 8 hours of usage, there's a USB-C port right here in the back, but you can also charge it using Qi technology just by putting it on a wireless charging station. So super convenient to do it that way as well. With nice sounding audio and very good microphones, this Liddle Speaker Pro is one of my favorite things to keep with me in my go bag. So if I'm going to be at a hotel and I need to do a phone call, or if I need to do a Zoom call, it is an easy solution to have with me. Plus the fact that it acts as a stand for my phone makes it super convenient. And of course the fact that it is dust and water resistant means that I can take it anywhere I want to go, including the beach. And you gotta love the fact that it has that wireless charging capability, so you do have flexibility if you want to charge it after the 8 hours of usage. All in all, a great product. I will put a full description below, and you can see if this is the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.